Hi, this is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today I'm going to be showing how I achieve a fire effect by the use of color and flow. So let me explain to you what colors we're going to be using today. Our faux pillow will be made up of lamp black. Quinacridone nickel azure gold is the first of our color layer. Honeycomb, Indian yellow hue, and quinacridone burnt orange. Finally, down on the bottom is going to be mosh. Our cell activators are lamp black, titanium white, and inferno. I do an entire video covering how I mix pigments to make cell activators, so check that one out. I'm going to be using a 12 by 12 wood panel. This is PPG Multi-Pro. I get it at Home Depot. You've heard me before. It is my go-to pillow paint. Okay, this is mosh. It's this little piggy product. Started out as a mica powder and wet it a little bit of Johnson varnish and added it to my pouring medium. This is quinacridone nickel azure gold. This is a golden product. This is Indian yellow hue, again, the golden product. These are all mixed with my pouring medium. This quinacridone burnt orange, first time I've used this color. Next is going to be honeycomb. This has started out as a dry pigment, wet with a little bit with Johnson varnish, and added to my pouring medium. I picked up my scraping tool and I'm loading up the back with Amsterdam's lamp black. I'm going to put a nice even coat across the top of my color layer. This is called a faux pillow, and the faux pillow has a couple of functions. First, it's cheaper than having my pillow paint tinted, which is a cost-saving step. And also, when you swipe across the faux pillow and you do a scoop and drag, you can create yourself some very nice depth. I did a video on that not too long ago. And it really does work. If you want to see a master at this, hop on over to Jessica Winterstrom's page after you watch this video. She is amazing, and this is where I picked up this technique. The link to her channel is down in the description, along with several other artists that I follow. Okay, this is going to be my cell activator layer. Cell activators are all mixed with 3 parts Australian Floetrol. And on top of that, I also put some honeycomb just to give myself a little bit of color on the top of this swipe. Okay, picked up my smaller tool to do a secondary swipe. And now I'm going to start scooping and dragging. So just going under the paint layer and pulling up the color from down below. It's kind of a technique you have to play with, because if you scoop too low, you're going to get a lot of the white pillow layer, which is fine. But the whole thing with the pillow layer that you're trying to create here is a backlit look. So it's important you just learn where that color layer is and only go down that far to pull the colors you want to pull up. That's the reason I put so many colors down, is it gives me a lot of choices. There are several ways to approach this. You can separate your colors, or you can stack them the way I did. So I'm just now playing in the paint, giving myself some depth, giving some flow and color. If you're interested in learning how I put together my pouring mediums, cell activators, and anything else I do here on the channel, please feel free to check out the playlist I have listed above that will explain how it's done. So, hope you check it out. Okay, I'm going to stretch this out now. I may add a little bit more of the pillow paint in places that I didn't feel I had enough. So when I stretch it out, that black will be there and the color layer won't fold underneath. And I did this in several places. I'm not going to show all of them. This video would have been way too long. I'm going to do some quick spinning. Quick for you, but for me it was, this took some time. This, like I said, takes some time. Need to go slow. I'm walking it back and forth, just trying to get a nice even layer across. Now with this piece, my faux pillow, several places the white shine through. At first I thought, well, maybe I should just go ahead and scrape it now, but I let it stay. And I want you to, if you could, please chime in on the end. Let me know what you think. Was it a good idea or a bad idea? So you can leave that down in the comments. It would be wonderful. But the orange you see, that bright orange you see underneath, that's the mosh. And after I got done with this, I wasn't entirely sure that having that much of the fluorescent orange come through was the look I was looking for. But again, leave that down in the comments as far as what you think. You can see that white there. Now I can go back afterwards and fix that. I can, I have plenty of lamp black. I can go in and paint that out, but we'll see how it dries. Okay, just doing some scooping and dragging and doing some final work. It's time to spin. I did quite a bit of spinning with this, and took some time to get the color layer, to cover the entire canvas or the board all the way down the sides. So rather than having you watch me spin all week, I decided it was probably a better idea to cut most of that out. Okay, I think we're about ready for the flyover. You can see that the color effects on this actually worked very well. And I think I achieved the goal of creating a fire effect. But let me know what you think down in the comments. Thank you for being here today. If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell. It's absolutely free and it really does help. I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it useful. Thanks for being here. Bye now.